While it is sure felt like summer already, the season doesn't officially kick off until Monday.
So what can we expect after two cooler summers these last few years? Storm teammates Ellen Baca joins us now with a look at the season forecast from the entire team. Ellen?
Well, even though it's only June, we've already hit 90 twice this year. Last year, it took us the entire summer to do that, and we haven't actually hit 90 in the month of June since 2012. That summer was hot, and this summer looks to be also.
How's it going? In Grand Haven?
4 total.
4 total? Nothing says summer like a couple of pronto pups.
Can I get 6 of the pronto pups, all of them with ketchup and mustard?
Here you go.
Hot summer we had, 90s, long lines.
While this summer staple hasn't changed,
It's hot outside. Will that stop you from getting in line?
No, not at all.
a West Michigan summer season is never the same.
Will not only be a warm summer, but it'll be really warm compared to the past 2 summers that have been rather comfortable.
Every season, our meteorologists do an outlook.
We said it was going to be a mild winter. We said we'd probably get a period of cold here during early April. We guessed the snow total for the winter almost exactly here.
And what the data suggests is it's going to be a hot summer. The first thing we look at is what is the tropical ocean doing?
This winter, we were in an El Nino, which just means the water in the Pacific Ocean near the equator was much warmer than usual. And now the ocean in this region is changing, turning to colder than average.
The strong El Nino collapses. We're going to go to about a moderate La Nina.
The years that we go from an El Nino all the way to a La Nina, you have heat, like serious heat, mid-90s, upper 90s, and in a couple instances, we even had 100-degree days.
A heat wave or two is also possible this summer, meaning a stretch of at least 3 days hitting 90 or hotter.
Last summer was almost 2 degrees cooler than normal. I expect this summer to be 3 to 4 degrees warmer than normal. So that's about a 5-degree shift from last summer to this summer.
As for severe,
The big year was 1998, when we had probably the worst line of thunderstorms ever to go through Michigan, produced winds as high as 130 miles an hour. That pattern was similar to what we have now.
that's not saying a damaging wind event is a guarantee.
But we should be cautious for fast-moving thunderstorms moving west to east across the Great Lakes here this summer.
No matter what the forecast, it won't stop West Michigan from making the most of it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, as for the timing of the heat, it's looking like the hottest days this summer are going to be likely backloaded, meaning the hottest days will likely happen later in the season. There are a few reasons for this, but one of the primary ones is just how wet we were this winter and heading into early spring. Guys?